Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Instagram profile and want to know how to delete a highlight using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can easily remove any highlight you no longer want on your profile. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the platform, making it easy to manage your content. Next, scroll down to the Photos and Videos section. Here, you'll find an option called Highlights. Click on Highlights to see all the story highlights you've created and saved to your profile. Now, browse through your highlights and select the one you want to delete. Maybe it's an old vacation story or a highlight that's no longer relevant. Whatever the reason, just click on it to open. Once you've opened the highlight, look for the Delete option. It should be clearly visible, usually at the top or in a menu within the highlight. Click on Delete. A confirmation window will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove this highlight from your profile. To complete the process, simply confirm your choice. The highlight will be deleted instantly, and it will no longer appear on your Instagram profile. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a highlight on Instagram using the app on your PC. Keeping your profile organized and up to date is now easier than ever with these simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for mastering Instagram's latest features. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.